Looking to put your money to work and wondering what options are out there? Let's take a look at the investment products available at Younited. Younited, a regulated credit institution, has an innovative model that connects investors with consumer credit. Their primary investment product is the FCT Younited France Fund, which is designed for professional investors. This fund invests in consumer loans originated through Younited's platform, specifically fixed-rate, amortizing loans with maturities of 6 to 84 months. The fund strategy is to generate stable returns with low volatility by reinvesting the cash generated from the loans. This is a capitalization investment, which means the returns from the loans are automatically reinvested into the fund each month, allowing for a compound interest effect. It's an investment product that's intended for professional investors, so it's important to understand the details and any associated risks. In addition to their fund for professional investors, Younited also offers savings options for individual depositors. They have term deposit accounts with competitive interest rates. These are considered lower-risk options, as they are protected by the French statutory deposit guarantee scheme up to €100,000 per customer. You can open an account with a minimum deposit and choose a term that suits your financial goals. So, whether you're a professional investor looking to finance consumer credit through a specialized fund or an individual seeking a secure savings option with a fixed term, Younited has different products to consider. For more information, always check their official website for the latest details on interest rates, terms, and conditions.